Hello children. Yes, welcome back to our class. Yes, before entering into our class, today's class, I want to ask you a question. Have you all gone through that last link which I have sent you? Yes. I have told you about articles, yes or no? Articles A and vowels, consonants, singular, plural, and also noun. Yes, it's a basic grammar, okay? Yes, once in a while we'll go for grammar part also. Not only the lessons, we'll go for that grammar part also, okay? Yes, so today we'll start our fourth unit, unit 4. What is it? Page number 46. Yes, what is our lesson? What is the unit for? The miller, his son, and his donkey. What is the lesson name? The miller, his son, and his donkey. Here we have 3 persons, right? I mean 3 members. One is miller, one is son, one his son, and one his donkey. Means an animal, and 2 human beings. Yes, miller. Here, who is miller? Who is miller? Miller in the sense a person who owns or works in a mill. Mill, you know what is mill? Girni. Yes, you know, alright? Girni. Yes, so the person who owns or works in a mill is miller. Means the one who grinds the wheat into flour. Right? He is the miller. Are you getting me? Yes, miller is nothing but the person who owns or works in a mill. Yes, look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Come on, look into this picture. It is looking very colorful, right? There are different types of people in it. What are the people doing in this picture? See. Yes, it is looking like a market, right? First, what it is? It is looking like a market. Here on every Wednesday, there's a market in station, right? Yes, so here it is a market. What can we see in this market? Yes, different types of people. Few are selling. So no, few are selling the items, few are buying the items. Right? See, they all are selling the items. Vegetables. What they are selling? Vegetables. It may be they are bangles, I think so. See different colors. Right? Yes. Here there are balloons, vegetables, leafy vegetables, and sometimes here there are pots, I think so. Someone is selling pots. Here rice bags, different types of items we can see in a market. See here, she's giving money, and here it is a box. There's a box. He keeps the money in it. Right? Here it is a goat which is eating something here. Yes, it is a market atmosphere. Here there are parents and children also. Here a woman she's holding her son. Here there's a woman holding a son. Right? There are children, women, men, young, old, everyone. We can see everyone in this picture. So yes, it is a market area and it is a marketplace. What are the people doing in this picture? They are selling the items. Few are selling the items, few are buying them. We can see different types of items here. Right? Yes, fruits, the food items, what you can eat, bangles, things, everything. Have you ever visited a market? What did you buy there? Have you ever visited a market, children? Yes. Have you visited a market? Yes. Few people goes with their parents to the market, right? With their grandparents or grandmother or grandfather, whoever it may be. Yes. Few did not visit. Yes. What did you buy in that market? Yes, you may. Yes, your mama or papa or grandma, they buy vegetables. Yes or no? They buy vegetables, fruits. Yes, and some of the items which are important in the house, right? Yes. So we'll go for the appendix part. Open the page number 113. The page number 113. 113. So here, the miller, his son, and his donkey. Here there is a miller and also his son and also his donkey. You all know donkey, Garda. Yes, it was Saturday. What it was? It was Saturday. A cart with ringing bells entered the village. So here what is cart? We know bullock cart. Yes or no? Different types of cart. Horse cart also is present, but we mostly see bullock carts in our areas. So there's a cart with ringing bells entered in the village. So it was a village, and it was a Saturday. So a cart with ringing bells entered that village. Hearing the bells, people came out of their houses. Yes or no? If something specially comes outside our home, like ringing bells, here it is ringing bells, but in our area sometimes some people keep loudspeakers and they inform us something, and they all roam in our colonies. Yes or no? Yes. What happens if they come? We come outside of our houses and we look at them. Yes or no? So here when the cart with bells entered the village, all heard that bells sound and they all came out of their houses. They saw the cart which always came to make announcements. Oh, okay. So here it is a cart which always comes to that village to give some announcement, means to make some announcement. Okay, we all know what is it, announcement. What is announcement? What is announcement? Announcement is nothing but something which we can hear and which is useful to us. Yes or no? Yes. So here now announcement. It stopped in the middle of the main street and made the announcement. What it is doing? That cart stopped in the middle of the main street, in middle of the colony. Then it started making the announcements. So here you see what is that announcement? Brothers and sisters, good news, great offer only for you. This Sunday only. We all know, right? Now if any new clothing shop, means new shopping mall is opened in the Nizamabad or some area, they come in a auto or in some four-wheeler and they keep loudspeakers and they make an announcement. Yes or no? Yes, make their announcement by saying that there is a mall which is newly opened, so you can see different types of sarees there. Yes or no? Yes, we can hear that type of announcements. And also few announcements comes up pickles, pachadlu, ee pachadundi, aa pachadundi. So we can hear in villages, we can hear few announcements. So here what they are giving, good news, great offer only for you this Sunday only. So what they are telling, good news. It's a good news, brothers and sisters. Annallara, akkalara, shubhavarta, meekosame. See, in this way they give announcements, they make announcements, right? Yes, so here there's a cart which came into that village and it is announcing this. So that offer is only for Sunday. Which Sunday? That coming Sunday. This Sunday's market is going to be a special one. So what that announcement, what is there in that announcement? This Sunday's market is going to be very special. Why it is special? Because there's a great offer. It has many attractions. Get a variety of things at very low prices. So the offer is we can get the items, variety items at very low cost. Okay, buy any 2 things and get 1 free. Yes, this is offer we can see everywhere. Buy 2 get 1 or buy 3 get 1. Yes or no? So here there's an offer. It has many attractions, means the special Sunday, this Sunday market is going to be very special and it has so many attractions. How we can get variety of things at low cost, and if you buy any 2 things you get 1 free. Don't miss this Sunday's market. You can not only buy but also sell your goods. So here what he's telling, this Sunday is a very special Sunday. There's a different types of offers and you don't miss this Sunday, and also you can buy and you can sell your goods also. Okay, in that market there's an offer that you can go and buy the goods and you can sell your goods also. Yes. Good news, great offer only for you and your family. Remember this Sunday, don't miss the golden chance. So he said about this good offer, a great offer. He announced it by coming into the village on a cart with ringing bells. Then he announced this announcement and he went away, I think so. Okay, don't miss the golden chance. Yes, we all listen to it in villages mostly. Yes. So turn the page. 46. Yes, so here what is the announcement about? Tell me. Now we heard about some announcement. What is the announcement about? What is the announcement? It is a good news, great news. This Sunday is going to be more special because there are different types of things in the market, and we can get different variety of items at very low cost, and you can come it and you can buy two and you can get one free. Yes or no? And then what is that last one? You can buy the goods and also you can sell the goods. That was the announcement. Circle the information related to the announcement. Here, great news. Yes, great news. We can see in the announcement. Yes, buy two get one free. Yes, we saw it. Dance program. No, we do not see any dance program in that. Low prices. Yes, we can get variety of items at low prices. Puppet show. No, this Sunday only. Yes, the offer is for this Sunday only. Mimic any announcement that you may have heard, seen. Yes, mimic any announcement that you may have heard, seen. Mimic anything on it. Shubhavarta. Kalyan Jewelers Shopping Mall. Ikkada Bangaramu, Vajralu, something like this, right? We can see that type of announcements in our villages. Yes. So here, coming to this lesson, we start the lesson here. Yes. 47. What is this? Page number 47. The miller, his son, and his donkey. See here. So see the picture here. What do you see in this picture? Here, there's a miller. He is the miller, his son, and his donkey. The three of they are moving, and here we can see few children. Few women, ladies, right? Yes. One day, a miller and his son drive the donkey to market. Okay, so one day, the miller and his son are going to market with their donkey. Soon a group of girls sees them and breaks out laughing. Here a group of girls are there. Yes or no? See, 5 girls are there. While miller and his son is going to market with their donkey, these group of girls are laughing at them. See. Look, cries one. Look at those fools. They are walking on foot when the donkey can carry one of them on his back. So now this group of girls, what they are saying? They are laughing at them and they are saying, look at those fools. They are walking on foot when the donkey can carry one of them. What is the use of donkey, children? Donkey can carry loads of that sticks, or it is used to do work. Yes or no? It is used to carry some loads in the sense, it may be bags or whatever it may be. Donkeys are used for that purpose itself, to carry some load. So what these girls are telling, those fools, they are brainless. They are walking on foot when the donkey can carry one of them on his back. So donkey has the power to carry one of them, either the miller or his son, but they are walking on foot, right? So they are laughing at them. Who are laughing at whom? These girls are laughing at miller and his son. Next, these seems to make sense. Yes, by listening to this girls' words, miller thought that it makes sense. So the miller lifts his son onto the donkey and marches along happily. So first of all, the three are walking, right? Yes, the miller and his son, they are walking along with their donkey. Then group of girls saw them, they laughed at them and told that they look at those fools. They are walking on foot when the donkey can carry one of them. Now, by listening to this, to their words, miller thought that yes, it seems to make a sense. Then what he did, he lifts his son and he lifts his son onto this donkey and he marches along. Marches means he walks happily. Means now this boy is on the donkey. Okay, they walk for a while until they meet an old man. Now see here. By listening to that group of girls' words, this miller lifts his son up onto the donkey. Okay, so they are walking. Then in middle they saw an old man here. Okay, what this old man is saying, see here. The old man shouts at the son. The old man is shouting at the son who is on the donkey. You should be ashamed of yourself, you lazy rascal. You are riding on the donkey when your poor old father has to walk. Now what this old man is telling to that son? You lazy rascal, you are young and you are riding on the donkey when your poor old father has to walk. In essence, what he is saying, your father is poor, old, and you can walk as you are young. Yes or no? Yes, this boy is young. So what this old man is telling, you are young, you can walk, but you are riding on a donkey and you are making your poor old father to walk. Get down and let your father rest his old bones. And what this old man told the miller's son, you lazy rascal, you get down and let your dad ride on the donkey. Okay, yes. Now read with shame. The boy gets down and makes his father get onto the donkey's back. Now he felt shy. He felt shame. Then what the boy did, the boy got down and he made his father to get on the donkey. Okay, now see this picture. Now what happened? We'll go further back. So first what happened, they are walking along with the donkey. The miller and his father are walking along with the donkey. Group of girls laughed at them and told that they are fools. Look at those fools. They are walking when the donkey can carry one of them. By listening to this group of girls, this miller lifts his son and his son sits on the donkey. Okay, then after going for some time, they saw an old man. Now old man is scolding the boy and he said to get down and let her dad ride the donkey. Okay, now this boy got down and dad is riding on the donkey. See here, dad. Now again they go a little further. They meet a gang of young fellows who mock at them. Here you see. Yes, what can we see here? They are going. I'm sorry. So they got a group of gang here. So they met a gang of young fellows. Okay, what they are telling, they are mocking at them. Mocking in the sense they are laughing at them. వెటకారంగా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు అనమాట. by saying, what a cruel old man, there he sits, selfish and comfortable. The poor boy has to stumble along the dusty road. So the miller lifts his son up and the two of them ride along. So again, what they are all saying, they all are saying to miller that, see this miller, how selfish he is. Selfish, what is selfish? What is selfish? Means caring only about himself. So he becomes selfish. Okay, how selfish he is. He is sitting nicely on the donkey as his poor boy, this boy is walking, stumble in the sense walking unsteadily. Okay, yes, if you walk for a long, how you feel tired, right? Yes, so what they are saying, see this miller is sitting on the donkey and he is good, he is comfortable on it, but see this poor boy, he is tired. By listening to them, what this miller does, the miller lifts his son up and they both go on the donkey. They both ride the donkey. Now here again one person came here, one old man, see. However, before they reach the marketplace, a townsman stops them. Have you no feeling for dumb creatures? Again one of the old man comes to them and what he is saying, have you no feelings for dumb creatures? Means he is asking that you don't have any feelings about the dumb creatures. Dumb creatures ante maatalu rani వాళ్ళని we call it the dumb. Okay, one who can't speak. Okay, dumb in the sense one who can't speak. Here this creature means the animal. This can animals speak? No. So here what he is saying, have you no feelings of this dumb creature? He shouts, he is shouting at them. The way that you load that little animal is a crime. You two men better carry the poor little animal. Now what this old man is telling them, have you no feelings about the dumb creature? So now again this old man comes to them, and what he is telling, you have no feelings for dumb creatures. The way you load that little animal is crime. So what this old man is telling to these two men, to carry this donkey. So here like this, see, they are carrying the donkey now by listening to that old man. Wanting to do the right thing, the miller and his son get off the donkey. They tie his legs together, sling him on a pole, and carry him on their shoulders. By listening to that old man, what these both are doing, they tied the legs of the donkey to a pole, to a stick. Sling him in the sense tie and carry. Okay, this is sling, tying and carrying. Who carries that donkey like the children? No, you should not carry that donkey like that. Donkeys are okay, they are used to carry loads, but not in this way, right? Yes, see here, by listening to that old man, they both, miller and his son, tied the legs of the donkey to that pole, and they are carrying the donkey. Slowly they reach out river bank. Here they reached the river bank. On their way, when a crowd at the river bank sees this, they laugh very loudly. The donkey gets frightened, kicks through the ropes that bound him, and it falls off the pole into the river. Ayyo! Now what happened? See here, they carrying the donkey, and then they saw few people. What they are doing? They are laughing loudly by seeing at them. Then the donkey got frightened. The donkey got scared, and the donkey bhayapadipoyi, what it does? It kicks the ropes. It kicks the ropes and it kicks the rope that bound him, and it fell into the river. So what you understand by this? See here, first of all, we'll go for the review. See, first they are nicely walking. They are doing their wish, whatever they want. They both are, miller and his son are walking, and the donkey, they are carrying their donkey. Okay, by listening to these girls, what the girls said to that miller, they said that those fools, look at that fools, they are walking on foot when the donkey can carry one of them. By listening to them, what the miller did, the miller lifted his son and onto the donkey here. Okay, yes, next they are walking. Then a old man came to them. What old man is saying to them? You lazy young fellow, you lazy rascal, your dad is old and your dad is looking tired. You can walk, and let your daddy ride the donkey. By listening to them, with shame, this boy got down, and his dad ride the donkey. Then after going a while, these idiots, the group of young men, what they are doing? This gang, what the gang are doing? They are mocking, they are making fun of them. They are making fun of the old man by saying that, see, he is selfish. He is caring about only himself, not for his son. He is riding the donkey as his poor son is looking tired. By listening to that, what this miller did? Both sit on the donkey, and they starts going. They start going again, on the way to his market. An old man comes to them, and what he is saying, you don't have any feeling for the donkey, for the dumb creature. You people, it is a crime to load the animal. So what he is saying, you two men better carry the animal. What he is saying to miller and his son, to carry this donkey. Here, wanting to do it right, what they are doing, they tied the legs of the donkey to that stick, that pole, and they sling him, and they got into the river bank where there were group of young ones. They are laughing at them loudly. By listening that laughing, this donkey gets frightened. Okay, it was afraid. It was afraid, and then it kicks through the ropes, and it falls in the pool, into the river. By this, what you understand? You should not listen to others. Okay, the work of others is to mock you, is to make fun of you, is to laugh at you, but you should do your work. What is the moral of the story? You have to do your own work. You should not listen to the people who are who have negative thoughts for you. Here they are going nicely, yes or no? By listening to them, they did something. Again, while going, they listened to this old man and did something. Then again, the gang, they did something. Here again, the old man, he did something. At the end, they lost their donkey, yes or no? Now, if they were walked like this itself, what happens? What would have happened? Nothing would have happened. They would have reached the market. But in between, listening to all the people in front of them, at the end, they lost their donkey, yes or no? So the moral is, you should not listen to anybody. You should not listen to others. You should do what you want, what you need. You should do what is good for you. Okay, you should only listen to your parents, not others. Others will always make fun of you, laugh at you. Others laugh at you, others mock you. Okay, others make fun of you. So you should not hear the words of others. Getting my point? Yes, you should do whatever you want to do. You should do the thing which is good for you. If you listen to others, see in this, if you listen to others, what happens at the end? You will lose yourself itself. See, they lost donkey. Yes or no? Yes, in this way, if you listen to others, you will lose yourself. Got it? So you should not listen to anybody. You have to do what is good to you. Listen to your mama, listen to your parents, not others. If others laugh at you, you should smile at them and you should go from there. You should and one more thing, you have to make friends, but the good ones. You have to choose the good ones. Okay, the one who supports you, the one who encourages you. Yes, you have to choose that type of people, not the one who laugh at you, the one who mocks you. Okay, yes. By this we have ended this lesson. By this we have finished the lesson. We'll continue in the next class.